Hair, it is literally 24 inches. Let me just 24 inches. 24. This is longer than my 28 inches. Lord, Lord, Lord. It's so long on me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Susan here, aka Miss Princess Susie, and as you can see, I am blonde. Basically, this hair is from Yolissa hair. I got this hair in a 20-inch frontal and 24 inches 24-inch bundles. But when I made this wig, yes, I made this wig myself. It's not perfect, but it's good for my, it's like the second wig I've ever made. And yes, you know, it's not bad, whatever. But basically, I made this wig with 2 bundles and a frontal. I literally only have 2 bundles in, 2 bundles, thinking, because I got 3 bundles and a frontal. I was thinking, yeah, I'll use all the 3, but I have 2 bundles in, and this hair is thick. This hair is too thick. Like, I can't even, it's too thick for me, but it's really cute. I didn't expect it to be so long, you know. Ooh. I didn't expect the hair to be so long. Like, I thought it would come down to at least, not there, but just here. But now it's longer. Still like it though, still very much like it. So obviously I dyed this hair so it would suit my skin tone more. I still think this is a bit light for me, but people are telling me it suits me as this. What really matters is my mom's opinion, because she, you know, she will tell me if she likes it or not. If she doesn't, then I'll probably darken it. But as I'm looking at it now, it doesn't seem so light, but it is. It's like, I can't explain the color because I feel like the camera is making it look lighter than it actually is, but it actually is very, very nice. So yeah, in terms of shedding, it does shed it does shed, but it's not shedding right now as I'm running my hands through the hair. Like, there's nothing. It's really like Yolissa hair for 613 hair, good quality. Like, I've bought 613 hair before, but like I didn't look into the company that much. Over time, when I got the hair was good. Over time, the hair wasn't good, so I don't know if that's going to be the case with Yolissa hair. But from all the reviews, best believe I was doing so many reviews on this hair, and like, I mean, I was looking into so many videos on this hair to make sure I'd be buying good 613 hair. Like, and sis, please let me know in the comment section below if you think I should like put roots in, or if you think I should get darker blonde, or this like this, or you think this is nice. What else can I say about the hair? Yeah, it's 24 inches. It's pretty long. I'm 5'4", by the way, so I don't know how much that would be in centimeters, but I'm 5'4". I'm not too tall. What else? In terms of, yeah, I tried plucking it and stuff like that. It came pre-plucked, but I tried doing it myself. You can still see the lace. Like, I need to still put like more powder to hide it a bit. But yeah, how I customize my frontal is I plucked it. I try to put foundation down the line. I'm gonna try and do it again. I didn't want it, I don't know, I'm gonna try and use foundation actually. When I first dyed it and I seen it, I was like, no, this is not for me. Like, this color is too bright. It's because I was going for ashy blonde, but to me this was too light. But as I look at it more and I'm all done up, it looks fine. But I don't know, we'll have to see. Yeah, this is only 2 bundles and it's very thick, very thick. Like, also I have a small head, so kind of makes sense. If you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So this is the wig before I dyed it. As you can see, it's full and I'm just so proud of how I made the wig. So I'm going in with the I can't say this, is it Garnier? So I'm going in the shade 913 and 903. So this is light ash blonde and light beige blonde. I was trying to go for a ash blonde, and so I'm going to be mixing that in my red cup. Basically, I bought 4 packs. It's very important to buy 4 packs of this because I ended up using all the 4 packs. But before I used the 4th pack, I used 3. I mixed 3 first, and then if I needed a backup, I used the 4th pack. So I sprayed the lace with Got2b just to make sure that none of the dye stains the lace as much. And so yeah, I'm just trying to position the mannequin head in a way that's easy for me to dye the hair. So I'm just sectioning the hair. As you can see, I'm kind of struggling because I haven't done this before. Usually when I dye my hair, it's in the bundles and not on the wig head. But I'm just trying to section off the hair in a way that's easy for me to dye. As I'm dyeing the hair, I'm just going in sections. This was very difficult for me. As I said, I haven't done it on a wig head before, but I tried my best and it did like all go out evenly. As you can see, I'm opening up the wig as well, just to get in the sections where you usually wouldn't see. So when it came to the frontal, I kind of struggled a bit. I tried my hardest to make sure to dye it properly.
As you can see, I'm just going in with the roots, sectioning it off. I even got a tail comb to help me like divide the hair, but it ended up dyeing perfectly. So as you can see in the background, I'm finally mixing the 4-pack because I only used 3 packs just to dye it at first. So the 4-pack was just to make sure to go through everything, because at this stage I've dyed the frontal, I've dyed the bundles, but just to go over and make sure there's no platinum parts. So after I was done, I left the hair to sit for about 25 minutes. As you can see here, it looks like ash blonde. So I was very happy when it looked like this. But then when I washed it, it looked lighter and I was like, oh no. But yeah, it's alright. When it came to styling this wig, I'm not even gonna lie, I struggled just because like it's my first time doing platinum hair. Well, not platinum, but blonde hair with no roots. So I just wanted to blend with my skin tone. And what I did with that was just using foundation and stuff. The stuff I'm doing in this video is pretty much self-explanatory. I can't really explain it in words, but yeah. I was also gonna say, girls, stop using got2b glue, like the sticky paste like glue, to glue your wigs down, because it will just take from your edges. Free spray does the job perfectly and it's secured, trust me. And the trick is with free sprays, because it dries quick, I just blow dry for a bit and then I put my wig on it and then I blow dry again and try and melt it with the tail comb. I'm now using the black got2b glue just to gel down the flyaways, because there's times where you lay your lace but it's still lifting. So I'm just going to use that to press the lace down. I didn't do any baby hairs on this wig just because I was thinking it's blonde. I don't know how it'd look. I'll probably try it next time when I wear the wig, but for now I didn't do any baby hairs. So once I've glued my wig down, I like to go in with a scarf just to make sure everything's secured, and then I do my makeup, and then I get back to my wig. I also forgot to mention, guys, before I put on my wig, on the lace, I turned the wig inside out, and on the lace I applied my foundation, so when I put it on it wouldn't look too light, it would just look like the color of my skin. I'm now straightening this wig. I'm not even gonna lie, I do not like straightening my hair. I feel like it is a sport in itself, but it had to be done. And so yeah, this is me just straightening the hair. After I filmed this, I had to go in and straighten it again because the hair is thick, so I had to do it in layers. Like I had to layer the hair and proper straighten it to be sleek. But yeah. I attempted to do, I don't even know what I attempted to do, but yeah, it didn't work out. So I just straightened the hair and turned off the camera and straightened the hair like I wanted to.
If you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and please press the bell so you can get when I upload new videos just as a notification, so you know that I'm trying to be consistent and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.